What's your name? Uh,
Anna.
in English.
In
Yeah,
Russian?
yeah. And you are from Russia.
I'm from Ukraine, but I speak Russian language.
And you speak Ukraine also?
Ukrainian also I speak.
You know?
Yes.
But your mother tongue is Russian?
Russian, yes.
So, how do we greet in Russian? For example, good morning.
Доброе утро. Доброе утро. Greetings also, like hello, we say здравствуйте. And if it's more friendly way, we can say привет.
And good evening.
Добрый вечер.
And good night.
Спокойной ночи.
How do we ask what is your name in Russian?
Как вас зовут?
And my name is.
Меня зовут.
Where are you from in Russian?
Откуда вы?
I am from Russia.
Я из России.
How many languages do you know in Russian?
Сколько языков ты знаешь?
How long have you been in Dubai?
Как долго вы находитесь в Дубае?
Do you like Dubai?
Нравится ли вам Дубай?
I am hungry.
Я голоден.
And I am thirsty.
Я хочу пить.
Can you tell me numbers from 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And what sentences you would like to tell yourself? Any?
Useful sentences. Добро пожаловать. It's welcome. Goodbye. До свидания. Nice to meet you. Приятно познакомиться. Enjoy your food. Приятного аппетита.
It is 12 o'clock.
Сейчас полдень.
And it is 9 o'clock.
Сейчас 9 часов.
Where are you from?
Откуда вы?
What is this?
Что это?
This is a table.
Это стол.
What is that? What is that?
Что то?
Do you like Dubai?
Нравится ли вам Дубай?
Yes, I like Dubai.
Да, нравится.
Are you working?
Вы работаете?
What is your job?
Чем вы занимаетесь?
Which newspaper do you read?
Какие газеты вы читаете?
How many languages do you know?
Сколько языков вы знаете?
I speak 5 languages.
Я разговариваю на 5 языках.
Thank you.